Cyber sales alert to the culture. Just wanted to update the channel. You guys that follow the channel, let you guys know what's going on here. Just real quick, we have 18 days and 5 hours. When you see this video, you may have 5 days left. I'm just saying. But from the date of this video, we have 18 days. So that means that we have a few to go ahead and look at what we can save on. If you guys were in the ecosystem, if you were in the market, should I say, on the market to update some stuff, you was looking for a sale, we are at that point already. So I'm seeing a bunch of 50% off. I see some 60% off and special offers and stuff like that. If you were looking to get a Machine Plus, there's a special offer for that. If you was going for just a regular machine, there's something for that. It's just sales all over the place. You just have to dabble on the site. I will encourage you guys to visit the affiliate link in the description. It helps me when you do that, and that just gives me credit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just letting native instruments know that I am doing what I do here on this channel. I do really appreciate that. It helps me out as I am sharing information most of the times for free, because I don't make any money just making videos. So these affiliate clicks that you guys do definitely helps me out. I also appreciate it if you like the video and you subscribe to the channel. That also helps, because I have more people to tell these things to, you know what I mean? But if we're looking at some of what is here as offerings, we can kind of dabble around a little bit and see what the site offers us. Let's see what happens if we click. So there's a 50% off sale on the Acoustic Bundle. This is kind of cool. I don't have this. I would imagine that these sounds pretty good, but looks like the price here is at $229, and yeah, it looks like that's marked down half off. 30 gig worth of stuff. I may have to indulge in that. Looks pretty cool. You get 50% off the Alicia Keys, the new electric Alicia Keys, 50% off the Nora Tractor Pro if you're into that. And there's offers with Neutron. It's pretty much some of everything. You know what I mean? You guys have to dabble around on the site. Of course, click the affiliate link. Yes, indeed. And so we just kind of going down the line and seeing what's up. Looks like it's a nice amount of stuff. There's like, I would say majority of their collection, it has a sale attached to it. The upright bass, this sounds really good. This Guitar Rig 7 is one of those things that you should have. It's a nice effect to have on, where you can use it on every or anything. Because it says Guitar Rig does not mean that it's only designed for Guitar Rig. It's got everything in there. It's got compressors, it's got EQs, it's got reverbs, delays, amps. You can use it on bass, you can use it on guitars, you know, but you can also use it on vocal. You can also use this on synths. You can use it on drums. There's presets in here for everything. I kid you not. We play with this on the live streams from time to time. So it's only, wow, $49.50. But I don't know if that's my price or would that be everybody's price. I'm not sure. But anyway, if you was looking for a good acoustic guitar, bam, there you go. It's in here. Let's see if we can see a little bit more. Yeah, all of the good stuff is on sale right now. That's what I'm looking at. What is this? I don't even have this delay. I don't think. Yeah, I don't remember. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Sale on some of the good stuff here. I'm looking at something. I have Drift Theory Wait a second. I got to see about getting some of these myself. I'm looking at some stuff I don't have. Strands? What is that? I don't know if I have that or not. Maybe I do. Maybe I didn't look hard enough. Wow. There's a 50% off the RX 11 Advance. Now, if you haven't heard of the RX stuff, it is one of those cleanup situations. If you're dealing with audio and you need to clean up stuff, you need to dive a little bit deeper. You need editing tools that is not readily available with just regular tools. The RX stuff is a good buy. So that's the price right there. Of course, if it's in the budget, then that's a deal right there, because you get everything. I think RX 11 Advanced. Let's click on it and see what's available here. And this will be my first time clicking on it, so I don't know what's in here. But yeah, the RX stuff is basically really good for cleaning up, like, just if you're dealing with audio that you don't have the original file, or like access to the original file, where it's some stuff in the vocal or in the bass or whatever the case might be, you can clean that up using this tool here. It's got a denoising here, the de-reverb in there. Yeah, I use this stuff all the time. It's got a de-click in there, the de-hum. I can't tell you how many times I use the de-hum or the de-click. Basically, if there's clicks in the audio, you can clean that up, and it does a very good job in doing that. I love these electric keys. These are nice. The Phoenix and the Diamond. The crosstalk is pretty nice as well. The Fables and Lures is more like somatic vibes, I would say. So if you're looking for something like that, the Tynes Duo, I haven't played with that one as much, but it's pretty decent if I can remember. Glaze is always going to be one of those things for pop, hip hop. You can find some really cool stuff in there. I use that a few times. The Glaze 2, I have that. Ukulele, this one sounds pretty good. I don't use it, or I have not used it as much, but I'm glad I have it in my collection because I have used it. It's one of those things where if you're working on like commercial video, film, or just pretty much anything you need a ukulele in, this is always a good addition to have. And we have not always had this in here, and this is sort of like a new addition. My solution to having a ukulele, I had to buy a third party from somewhere. I don't remember where that was, but I don't even remember where it is, to be honest. Once they add this in there, I was like, bet. I'm glad I have this a part of my Native Instruments collection. So now, like, inside of Contact, I can go ahead and use that. Really cool. Trash is one thing I have not played with yet. I need to get my hands on this because I think this is one of those creative tools that I'm looking for in terms of being creative, something different, something new, something fresh. Because that's why I am. I use the Kareem Riggins drums. This was heavily used on my lo-fi album that I released not too long ago, maybe like a year ago now. So you'll hear the Kareem on there. You hear some other drums. I think it's the Rudiments. The Rudiments is prevalent on the project. Playbox is one of those deals where if you lose inspiration, you don't know what you're doing for that day, but you know you need to get some work done. Playbox is that thing. You need to have that. You know what I mean? I can go on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, as I keep scrolling down, you hit the show more results, and there's just a lot more. The Prime Bass is one of my go-tos, but the Icon has I've used that a little bit more because it's like the prime bass included in there. So, but the prime bass is fine. Like I still use that from time to time. The valves is decent. I like the creative nuance as brass, the way it produced the brass instruments. It's like, it's not a straight, it's not like sessions from a session standpoint where you just need straight horns and you know the parts and you can change articulation and just being like a perfectionist. You know exactly where everything is and how you want it to sound. This one renders a lot more creativity when it comes to what it offers. So this is kind of a cool deal if you're looking for a brass sound but with a twist. So that's that. Of course, if you need look, I can click this thing and go on and on and on and on. Concrete Sun. I don't know if I even have that. I don't remember playing with this one, or maybe I did, but I don't remember that. Yeah, here's Icon Bass right here. It looks like it's a healthy amount of things that are on sale. Click the link, affiliate link in the description area. Appreciate it. I'm Ellip. Signing off. Be culture. Remember, lifestyle governed by art.